Hello, beautiful bubbly people, and welcome back to my basement. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany, and I am the owner and creator behind Desert Bath Company out of Gilbert, Arizona, where I hand make everything bath and body, from bath bombs to body creams to scrubs. You name it, I probably make it. Today, we are going to be focusing on doing some restocks for our retail shops. As usual, we have run critically low on one of our most popular bath bombs, which is the Just Relax Bath Bomb. It is a lavender and chamomile essential oil bath bomb that I created for that much needed relaxation at the end of the day. So let's pull our hair back and let's get to making some bath bombs. I'm also going to top these bath bombs with these little lavender buds or flowers or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to do just a little garnish on top. I think it just makes it look a little bit prettier. However, funny story, I actually had a customer one time message me asking me why there were bugs floating around in her tub. And she must have forgotten that these were on top before she put it in the tub. So that is one thing about putting little garnishes like this and botanicals in your bath bombs. You want to make sure you use just a small amount to make it look pretty, but so that when it goes into the tub, it doesn't just leave a total mess that people have to end up basically rinsing out their entire tub after they use your bath bomb. I use these stainless steel molds. I have used plastic molds in the past, however, they just don't work as well and they don't hold up. So I would highly recommend, if you plan on making bath bombs and selling them, to invest in some stainless steel bath bomb molds. And these I will link down below as well. So this batch I just made 32 bath bombs. We kind of started going over to the second tray here. One of these trays holds 28, and then I had 4 more over here. So I'm going to try to measure out another batch to get us just these last 24 bath bombs. And if I happen to spill over again, I do have 2 more of these trays. However, I do want to use those to make a different type of bath bomb for some restocks as well. So we're going to let these dry probably for 2 days. I will check these at the end of the day to see if they're ready to package or not, but you don't want to package them too soon because they will get kind of like soft and mushy. So let them dry completely. Sometimes that does take about 2 days, depending on how wet your batch is and obviously the humidity in your environment as well. So let's put these on the baker's rack so that they stay nice and pretty, and we'll come back and we'll package these. So here's a finished one of our Just Relax bath bombs, shrink wrapped, and then I just do a cardstock little strip around it, and I actually just tape it on the back with some double stick tape. If you guys would like to see my process of packaging my bath bombs, I would love to show you that. So give me a comment down below, give me a vote, let me know if you guys would like to see my bath bomb packaging process. Thank you all so much for joining me again today in my basement as I worked on some restocks and we made our Just Relax bath bomb. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time in my basement. Toodaloo!